Watch what the former Attorney General said. Consultation. That's where your work. See, you cannot go beyond your reach, beyond your role. There is somebody who has responsibility. Look, we want to do this, we want to do this. These are rituals. In the legislative treadmill, you come and play a role to fulfill the conditions necessary for making the law, which is that there has to be public hearing, there has to be this and that. You have to bring. Have you seen the quality of public hearings? Have you been there?
But civil society is also supposed to hold INEC accountable.
INEC does not make law. Why INEC does not? INEC is the law is made to guide INEC. INEC makes suggestions as a practitioner. Okay, you are here in NTA. You know what goes on. But if you go to NBC, you are making a suggestion to NBC. The ultimate responsibility to make regulations lies not with you, the practitioner. It lies with the person. So it is your experience that you are going to take to the practitioner and say, look, I have. But ultimately, who then makes the regulations? Who then makes the law? So the point I'm making is that for civil society, many times people give us rules that we don't have. And sometimes there is even an arrogance that comes with our rule. We feel that we can do much more than, where the role that we have, allows us. What we are given in the period of lawmaking is to appear in public hearing, submit a memorandum. Okay? When you have done that, they go into the business of making law. Then it shifts from you to where? To assenting, where the president agrees or doesn't. And you know what happened with the Electoral Act. 6 times the president refused to sign that law. Eventually, even the members of the National Assembly, many of them do not know what was signed. So I don't want to go into the nitty-gritty of it, but I needed you to appreciate that. Don't give people rules. You wear them robes that they don't have, and
maybe it is you that assume the arrogance of rules, because you did say it.
No, that's what I'm saying. That sometimes we even begin to feel that we can. There is something after all your English. Okay, you have a role. You are not a member of the National Assembly.